this is Cherie for Justnailedit. We are here with a little Maniology video. Manny and Me is my last, if I'm not mistaken, my last Manny and Me monthly club package. Having a brain fart. So let's get into the Soar Through the Skies of Endless Imagination with April's Over the Clouds Manny and Me collection. This month's collection transforms your self-care routine with a magical journey through the fluffy clouds, bursting rainbows with some kawaii animal friends. Alright. MXM125 brings a dash of magic to manicure with the cutest full nail accent designs. Gaze to the clouds and imagine cuddly bunnies, playful puppies, and a world where every magic brings smiles to every face. Next, MXM126 radiates all the feel-good vibes. Chase rainbows and live life all the full, brilliant color. This plate just might be the key to your best manicure yet, with sunny rainbows. Layerable shapes. Oh, Kiki was right. I've already opened this. I was noticing it couldn't contain my excitement, my nosiness. And I was talking to Kiki about it. She goes, I wonder if you could layer it. And she's right. Layerable shapes and starry accents stamp on a ray of sunshine and a touch of magic, of night's magic. Manny and Me box subscribers are painting the clouds with 2 early access polishes. I don't get the ones with the polishes. Raindrop B510, a dusty pale blue stamping polish with a classic cream finish. And Cloudy B511, a luminous white stamping polish with a pearl finish. April's bonus gift is both pretty and practical. Boost the happy vibes in your nail room with your new rainbow heart-shaped container, which I'll pull that out in a minute. This charming and functional piece is crafted with acetone-resistant glass a rainbow glass that comes with a beautiful faceted lid. Store nail charms, mix polishes, and store acetone soap cotton pads to make up clean, easy, and beautiful. So let me open that so I can show you that now. Oh, I can never open this back. So, in this little box, I thought it would be a stamper. And it's a little dabbing dish. It's oh so pretty. Oh so pretty. Isn't this oh so cute? Oh so pretty. This is oh so pretty, isn't it? Is this just the cutest? Oh so pretty. Use with the acetone for easy cleanup. Nail accessory glass dish. Connect with the nail community and share your creations using Maniology. Tool 093. This is what it says here. Maniology. Just what that says. So on the other card here, it has got your how-to step by 1, 2, 3, 4. to get you a beautiful, beautiful quality manicure, which has your steps to stamping. So I will show this here for a few minutes, I guess you could say. Screenshot it if you will. And do your job. Do your do. Do your do. How funny is it? Do your do. That's what I drink Diet Mountain Dew. Do your do. Do your manicure. I should try this one. And here's what it looks like. Cotton Candy Sky Manicure How-To. Free fall into a cotton candy sky where soft pinks and oranges mimic sunset clouds, invoking sweet nostalgia for carefree days under pastel heaven with Manny and me. Manny and me. So those are the two cards that are included with the Manny X Me. Now we're going to dig into the plates. Here's my sticker. Here's my sticker. Live, stamp, love. And I always keep my stickers handy. I keep them handy. I do. I'm supposed to keep damping this. Exclusive stamping plates. You can't go on there and just like, I'm going to go and thumb through the stamping plates and order these. No sirree, Bob. You only can get these with the Manny Express kits. So let me pull these both out. Maniology MXM126. These are so super cute. So super cute. And here's the other one. I think these are so adorable. All the different. I think they're so adorable. I really do. Whoopsie. I don't usually keep these. I put these in albums. These are for April. Manny and me for April. I can't wait to play with these. Probably be later this week, maybe, later this week, earlier next week. I think these are just so adorable. I'm going to pull the blue off of this one here. Oh, the rainbows. I got a manicure for those. She might have Saturday. Yep, sirree, Bob. For my unicornies. Here are the plates now open so you can see with your eyeballs. These are so cute. So cute. Probably be using the rainbow sushi on Saturday later this week. Two unicorns. After every storm, there's a rainbow. God bless that. So I will be using rainbows. Whoopsie. Look at there, look at that bear. I think that is so cute. Too bad there wasn't a a unicorn on here. I go out and share early one. Huh? Yeah? Well, where's my sticker? Slide these over. This is it for Maniology. If you go shopping on Maniology, I do have a discount code JNI, which is the initials for Justnailedit. So it's JNI10. Save yourself 10% off. Go on, go shopping on me. Save yourself 10% off your purchase at checkout. Look for the discount box and put in JNI all in caps. Save yourself 10% off. Go on, head on over to Maniology.com. Think these are so stinking cute, don't you? Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that may slide across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.